It's incredible. With just a simple modification of a discarded liquefier tank, you can make this 2-in-1 wood stove. It can cook while grilling underneath. The flame is very strong and it's really simple to make. First, fill the discarded LPG tank with water to remove any safety hazards. Then use a die cutting machine to cut off the handle part of the can and polish smooth. Next, apply paint remover to the tank and clean off the paint. Next, use a ruler to draw 2 rectangles on the tank body to create 2 corresponding doors. Therefore, after marking, use an angle grinder to cut it off, leaving a bit at the 4 corners without fully cutting through. It's convenient for welding hinges and bearings. After welding one side, make a seam on the other side. Then I found a rare ROM. Next, you can finish cutting the remaining corners. The door is now made. Try it out. It's very smooth and the color is appropriate. Next, bend the steel bar into an oval shape. After bending, weld the ROM at the cutting place. Make 2 of these and weld an iron plate to the bolt. Then install it in the door hole to form a handle and door lock. Then find an iron pipe, align it at the top of the tank, mark it, and use a threading machine to cut out the middle part. Then insert the iron pipe into the liquefied gas tank, mark it, and cut off the excess. Next, take a square tube and mark the points, then cut it into a curved shape. Weld the round tube and square tube like this to make the core of a wood stove. Thus, a square hole needs to be cut in the gas cylinder's valve post. Watch carefully. Put the round tube on first, then place the square tube. Mark the correct position, then cut off the excess rectangle in the middle, and put it back in the tank for welding. After welding the connection between the square tube and the round tube, the place where the round tube connects to the gas tank should also be welded firmly. 在这个大 Next, make a dust box and cut out a few rectangular openings at the bottom of the gas tank. Then weld the dust box onto it. After welding, weld 3 galvanized square tubes at the bottom to serve as a support. On both sides of the door, weld a steel bar to hang barbecue skewers. Weld a country on top. Finally, spray a high-temperature rust inhibitor. At this point, a dual-purpose barbecue grill made from a scrap gas tank is complete. It's compact and lightweight, but very powerful. You can boil water and cook meals on it. At the same time, you can also grill skewers below. This saves a lot of energy and saves a lot on gas bill throughout the year. This is so useful. What do you all think? Feel free to discuss in the comments. If you like it, remember to like, save, and follow me for more creative projects in the next episode.